I looked into Mailcow, iRedMail, and Mailu, and honestly, it's a bit of a mixed bag. All three are self-hosted email server solutions, but they each have strengths and weaknesses depending on what you need. Mailcow is known for being feature-rich and user-friendly, with a clean web interface and built-in management tools. It's great if you want a full-featured setup without too much hassle. iRedMail is more traditional and reliable, offering solid security and stability, but the interface and setup can feel a bit dated and technical for beginners. Mailu is lightweight and modular, making it ideal for smaller setups or users who want more control over components, though it can require more hands-on configuration. Performance-wise, all three are capable, but Mailcow feels the most polished for daily use, especially if you want easier administration. iRedMail wins for tried-and-tested reliability, and Mailu shines for minimal setups where flexibility is key. Overall, there isn't a one-size-fits-all winner. Mailcow is best for convenience and features, iRedMail for stability and security, and Mailu for lightweight control. Your choice depends on your technical comfort and specific email hosting needs.